Parallel arm linkage wear. Prior to planting season, check for play in the parallel arm pivot points. After a certain amount of acres, most planters require new bolts and bushings and eventually new parallel arms. The easiest way to check for this wear is to lower the planter down onto a hard surface until the parallel arms are parallel to the ground. Once the unit is raised, position yourself at the back of the row unit. Grab the hopper support panel and lightly move the row unit side to side and then up and down. If everything is tight, then the parallel arms and bushings are still in operating condition. If the row unit moves, then that means there is play in the bushings or the arms. As the holes around the bushings become egg-shaped, the angle at which the openers enter the soil changes. This can lead to seed placement issues. Even a small gap around the bolt and bushing in the arm can cause the unit to bounce or vibrate, leaving skips and doubles. Evaluate where the play is in the unit and replace parts as needed. Thank you for joining us today. If you have any questions or would like to place an order, please visit www.shoupparts.com or call and talk to one of our highly trained sales staff at 1-800-627-6137. Shoup Manufacturing, keeping farms running since 1977.